Make money with Manus AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by choosing a niche that's both engaging and easy to repurpose. Popular options include motivation or self-improvement, fun facts or historical content, mystery or horror stories, and film, anime, or game recaps. Once you've picked your niche, head over to Manus.im and create a free account. From there, use Manus AI to help you write a short-form video script tailored to your topic. After your script is ready, generate a voiceover using any text-to-speech tool. Next, return to Manus AI to create visuals, stock footage, images, or looping animations that match your script's vibe. Once you have your assets, edit your video using 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀, VN, or Adobe Premiere to bring it all together. Upload your video to TikTok with a catchy title and trending hashtags to increase visibility. Be consistent. Post 1 to 2 videos per day to build momentum with the algorithm. Once you meet TikTok's monetization requirements, you can join the TikTok affiliate program, earn commissions for product promotions, and land brand deals. Congratulations! You're now officially making money with Manus AI